Leo. You should include that. Lions, Leos, bears. Oh my. The lion. King of the jungle. All about that big hair. They are so fiery. Like, they walk in and they might as well set a blaze to the room. Always the center of attention, creative, spoken-minded, open-minded, very assertive. I wouldn't say aggressive because I think they're very diplomatic. They know what they want. They're not afraid to go after it. Natural born leaders. Think J-Lo, J-Law, Obama. Napoleon was a leader. Drama! You love it. Cool it, okay? Sometimes this magnificent person you are, you have a hard time containing it. You can take that energy and put it towards something creative and something really amazing, magnificent, grand, fantastic. You are ambitious and you love working hard, but if you don't get that credit, whew, you need that credit. You deserve that credit. Set yourself some goals, achieve them, and celebrate them. You worked hard, you deserve it, and bring your friends with you to celebrate it. Let them bask in your glory. Say, I'm buying the drinks tonight. Don't be cheap, basically. Leos, you definitely know what you like, and you're not afraid to go for it. You're confident and very sexy while you do it, so that's why you get what you want. Just because they make you feel good does not mean they're good for you. It's a little harder for you to get to know people, and I think with Leo, it's a little more restraint, it's a little pulled back. They're very loyal though once you become friends with them. They're really trustworthy. Leo, you're a good friend, like really good friend. You remember small details, you're good at giving gifts, you're considerate, except sometimes you don't like to so it's time to delve in deep, dive in deep. Do you want me to do that again? Yeah. But sometimes you're just surface, and it's time to dive in deep and really get to know people. Leo, when you love hard. We're talking about family here. Leo's like really proud of their families. Who cares? They want to tell everyone about their brothers, their sisters, their cousins, their cousins' cousins. You love your family and you want to show everyone how cool you are. Your family's weird. Leos are awesome. That's you, Leo, and you're welcome. You want to know about your crush or your friend or your father or your mother or your daughter or your child or someone, just anyone. Go look up their horoscope on the Chatelaine page. Subscribe. 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 Subscribe.